What is going on, guys? Back again. Tanner here with Elite Automotive, and today I have a really cool hack to show you, something I picked up last time I was at the track. So let's get after it. All right, so basically what happened, I was at the last drift event, and surprise, surprise, had another issue with the GK Tech handbrake. So what happened is the cable pulled out of the pinch here, and it was pretty much useless and just flopping around like this the whole event. It's not a great design. It's a cable that actuates the hydraulic master, which is cool because it's all cleanly integrated. But this is definitely the weak point. So I had to use like vice grips to lock the cable in so it wasn't flopping around, and then I had to find a way to get a handbrake back for the event. So that's what we're gonna go over today. Okay, so whether your hydro quits and you just need to find a way to get through the day, or you want to do a makeshift drift button that you don't have to permanently modify your handbrake, I have a very quick and easy field solution for you. So let's go. All right, so let's quickly go over all you need for this job. Set of flush cuts, side cutters, whatever, and a small zip tie or two. And that's the beauty of this job, is you're already gonna have this stuff, and if you're in the field, need to make a quick drift button, it works like great, and it's completely reversible. Like I already did it once, pulled them out, so I'll show you now. Oh, one last thing, so we can get a better perspective here. Nerd Tanner engaged. That way we can get a really easy view, and I won't have to like hold a camera and do all that. So these are the move for sure. Let's go. All right, let's get in here. Flip this thing around, and good enough. All right, transition to the glasses now. Okay, so for those of you who don't know how drift button works, basically you've got to pull this out, remove the spring, like push the tabs in, and it works, but it's generally destructive, so you can't go back, at least with this setup. And then you don't have a parking brake, so it's super annoying. So that's why I like this setup, so I can have a separate hydro and then still have a handbrake. But in the event of this braking, I needed to make a drift brake, so that's what we're gonna get into right now. Okay, so what's so cool about this hack is the simplicity of it all. So pretty much all you do is to press the button and cram the zip tie in there to shim it. As you can see, like it's not going anywhere. Now you've got a drift button. So like, yep, now it's in there, it's not going anywhere. All right, so all you do is clip it, and then I'll get you through the rest of the day. I did 2 for good measure, that way like it definitely wasn't coming out, but this got through a whole track event, like it's awesome. So that's it, and then when you're done, all you have to do is pull it out, come on. And we're back in business. So that totally saved the day, because at this event, we were entering at like the top of second, so I couldn't really clutch kick unless I want to do some nasty feint. So I wanted a handbrake. GK Tech let me down. Zip tie saved the day once again. So that's it. Okay, so that's it for today. Quick tip, short video, but hopefully it helps some of you guys out like it did me. As always, if this kind of thing you're interested in, consider sticking around. I do a lot of braking, fixing, modifying Japanese cars, a lot of drift content coming up. So yeah, subscribe, stick around, should be a good time.